All right, I got the guys watching on the messenger. See, there they are right there. What's up, guys? We're gonna test hover the Baby Yoda crib thing in the house. Don't do this at home. This is really a bad idea. Oh, I'm gonna do it. It's just I don't know. It's really a bad idea. All right, disarm. I'm on the right model. Plugging in. They're not spinning. That's good. Okay. Okay. We're in the camera, right? All right, here we go. Woo! Well, okay. They spin. Holy crap, it works! It works! That's enough! Woo! That's enough. It works. Well, I'm gonna stand behind it. All right, so another stupid idea, because why not? We're gonna put the child in it and see what happens. Yay. Yay, right, yay. I'm really close, hold on. Okay. Yeah, right. That's enough! That is enough! He flies! Yeah! I gotta dress him up for a day. Next one will be soon. Watch Flight Crew on YouTube. That'll be enough for one night.